Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here at Crane Landing in North Fort Myers, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Atlanta floor plan. It's part of the Patio line of homes that you're going to find at many Lennar Southwest Florida communities. The Atlanta here comes in around 1,870 square foot. You get 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a 2-car garage. Let's run inside and take a look here. Right here at the front entry, you do have your stairwell leading upstairs, but we're going to focus on the downstairs portion first. Downstairs, you have your half bath here with your singular sink and the commode. And then you've got your really nice great room living space here with your kitchen and your dining and living spaces all surrounded by each other. Nice open kitchen, corner pantry right there. Got your access out to your lanai space. So nice open inviting room here with the Atlanta floor plan, and then you also have your entry into your garage right through there. All right, now we're going to head upstairs and take a look at the bedroom spaces. Right at the top of the stairwell here, you do have a nice loft area, which here in the model you can see they've got a nice little sitting office space set up right here. Off to our left are going to be the guest bedrooms. So we're going to start in the back here. So you have one guest bedroom right here, another directly across from it. Then we have our guest bathroom here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And then we have our laundry room up here, full-size washer and dryer, room for additional storage. And then we have guest bedroom number 3 right here. Here's a better look at the loft space that you get. And last but not least, we have the master bedroom here. That is a king-size bed there for perspective. So nice size room here, and then you have your master bath. So you've got your enclosed water closet, you've got the dual sinks, got a really nice walk-in closet here. You do get a full-size shower. And then right behind the door here, you have a nice linen closet as well. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this floor plan, contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.